So far, it seems that we are doing well. Unfortunately, when we try to compile, we find an error. It seems that Room cannot figure out how to save one of the fields in the database. If we double-click on the error message, we can see that the field that is causing the problem is updated at. Let's try to figure out what the problem is by looking at the official documentation about data types in SQLite. As you can see, the data types allowed in SQLite are null, integer, real, text, and blob. Also, we can see that in SQLite, the date values need to be stored as text, real, or integer. Room needs to map each of our fields to one of these data types. Strings and numbers are okay, but Room cannot automatically map more complex structures like dates. It is in cases like this when type converters come to play. Actually, coming back to Android Studio, we can see that the error message suggests to use a type converter. Let's have a look at the date converter class that I have added to the code for you. This class has two methods. Each of them is annotated with type converter. The first one receives a timestamp and converts it to a date object. Room will use this method when reading from the database. The second one receives a date object and converts it to a timestamp long. Room will use this method when writing into the database. We want Room to use this type converter, so we need to make Room know. For that, let's go to our app database class and add it using the type converters annotation. Now that Room knows how to deal with the date, we can see how our code compiles without any problems, and we are ready to start using Room.